Are you confused between Runway Gen-4 and Kling AI? Don't worry. In this video, I'll break it down in the simplest way so you can choose the best AI tool for your content creation. Let's start with Runway Gen-4. Runway Gen-4 is built for creators who want cinematic, professional quality videos. It gives you powerful tools like motion brush, camera control, and advanced editing features. This means you can control how objects move, how the camera behaves, and even create consistent characters across scenes. It's perfect for filmmakers, YouTubers, and anyone who wants high-quality storytelling with full creative control. The videos often look more polished and cinematic, almost like a movie scene. Now let's talk about Kling AI. Kling AI is a strong competitor, and it focuses more on realism and speed. It handles motion and physics very well, especially in action scenes like running, jumping, or complex movements. Another big advantage is that Kling can generate longer videos, even up to a few minutes, while Runway usually creates shorter clips. It's also cheaper and faster, making it great for creators who want to produce more content in less time. So what's the main difference? Runway Gen-4 is best for cinematic storytelling, creative control, and professional editing. Kling AI is best for realistic motion, longer videos, and budget-friendly content creation. If you want to create high-quality YouTube videos, short films, or cinematic scenes, Runway Gen-4 is a great choice. But if you want faster results, longer videos, and realistic action scenes, Kling AI might be better for you. Now here's a smart tip. Many advanced creators actually use both tools together. They use Kling for generating longer or dynamic clips, and then refine or edit those clips in Runway for a cinematic finish. So instead of choosing one, try both and see what fits your style. Because in the world of AI content creation, the best tool is the one that helps you create more and improve faster.